Welcome all for this fundamental of C programming tutorial. Today we will talk about switch statement in C. So let's begin for the demo. I'm creating a file and I'm giving name to this file as switch demo.c. As I said, do not forget to give extension to the file as .c. So we will begin with void main. I skipped writing the header files because in my compiler they are already included by default. If you get errors to printf and scanf statement, in that case include the header files as stdio.h and conio.h, right? So now I am declaring two variables as a and b. These two values I am going to ask user to enter, okay, and then result one more variable. So I am not declaring this variable here now, okay. Now I will ask user to please enter the choice. So one more variable I need, that is a choice variable, and then I will display message to the user that what choices user has, okay. So one for addition, then backslash n, two for subtraction, then backslash n, three for division, then backslash n, four for multiplication. So these options I have given to the user, and then I'm asking user to enter choice. User will enter a choice. So for that purpose we need to use scanf statement, and in that value is in the integer format. That's why I'm writing here format specifier as %d, and then the value that we are accepting should be stored in a ch variable as choice. Now this ch we are going to get as 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 possible outcomes are there for ch. User may wants to perform addition, may wants to perform subtraction, may wants to perform division, may wants to perform multiplication, right? User wants to perform different things, right? So now out of these different things, any one of the option user is going to select, right? So that's why our ch is going to become our switch expression. So I'm writing here switch, and then expression is nothing but my ch. Is this clear? Switch, see the color is white, it means it is a keyword, right? Now this is block of switch case statement. Now I'm going to use case value 1. So case is a keyword, and then the possible outcome for ch is 1. User may enter 1, and after that we have to use colon. Do not forget there is a colon, not semicolon, right? So case 1, in case 1, that means if the value of ch matches with the case 1, then in that case what we have to perform? We have to perform addition of that two numbers, that is a and b. So instead of asking user to enter value here, what we will do? We will ask user to please enter value here itself. So user has to perform, let's say, addition, then we will ask user to please enter the values. So print f. So we will ask user to please enter two values, and then we will use scanf statement, and as two values we are accepting, we need 2%d. So %d, do not use comma in these 2%d, just use space character, %d, and then after that address of a, first value, and second value is in address of b. So two values are accepted, right? Now case 1 is what? Case 1 is what? Addition. So what we will do? We will directly print the addition. So print f, we will give message is addition is colon, and addition is stored in integer variable. So that's why format specifier will be %d, comma, the addition is a plus b. So this result will be displayed to the user. And after that, whether I have to perform other operations? No. So now what I'm doing, I'm not using the break statement. I'm putting here break statement, but I'm commenting this break statement, right? So that you can understand what is the effect when we do not use break statement, right? So now I'm going for case 2. So case 2, probable choice is 2. User may want to perform subtraction. So in that case, now I am just copying this statement and placing it here. So here in second choice is subtraction. So I am writing subtraction. Let me make it subtraction is percent d, and that is a minus b. A minus b, right? So again this, after this we have break statement. So again I am writing here break statement like this. Okay, now if choice is does not match with 1 and 2, then choice is case 3. Okay, in that case again we have division. So division is now when we perform a divided by b, in that case the result may be in the form of float value. So that's why we need format specifier as %f. Is this clear? For float, what format specifier we use? %f, right? Now in this case, when we perform the division, then in that case a and b both are integer variable. So temporarily we need to change the data type of any of these variable, that is called as typecast. So we have changed here temporarily data type of variable a, numerator, denominator will also get changed, and accordingly we will get result in the decimal format, in the float format. Is this clear to everyone? Okay, and after this we will add again break statement, and then finally we go for case 4. Case 4 is what? Multiplication. So what I do, I just copy paste this code, and now instead of division I put here multiplication, and instead of division I put here multiplication symbol. So for multiplication there is no need to perform typecasting, right? And if any one of the value is not getting matched, then it will go into the default. Default is also a keyword, right? So default, and in case of default we will give message to the user as why the default statement will get executed, because no any choice is getting matched. Okay, so we will ask user to please enter proper choice or not proper choice, right? So our switch case is over, and then finally we will add here get ch, and at the beginning we will add here CLR Let's compile the program. Everything is okay, no any syntax error. So let's run the program. Control F9. So user will see these options: 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for division, 4 for multiplication, and enter the choice. So assuming that I have given choice as 1, so user asked us to enter 2 values. So what 2 values I want? Let's say I want first value as 10 and second value as 5. Okay, so addition is 15, subtraction is 5, division is 2 point something something, multiplication is 0, and enter proper choice. Enter proper choice. So why this happened? Because see here, in case of multiplication I use f, so it should be %d. Okay, and now why it happened? Because I haven't used break statement, right? Case 1 got matched, but the break statement was not used. Because of that all choices got executed after the 1. So now I am removing that break from this. Now let's see what happens. Control F9. Everything is okay. I'm giving choice as 2. Enter 2 values, 10 and 5. Subtraction is 5. Is this clear to everyone? Okay. Now one more time I'm running this. I'm giving choice as 3. Value as 10 and 5. Division is 2.0. Is this clear to everyone? Switch case statement, right? So everyone try this program and see whether you have understood the switch case or not.